Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5101684 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here and then hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, you can copy the second command, paste it in the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then you have to restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can update. If the scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Next step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then try to update your Windows once again. Still not working, then you can go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, click on pick a date. You can select any date and pause the update. Once the update is paused, you can resume the updates. Now click on resume updates and let the update install and then check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5101684 over here. Click on search. Check your Windows version, type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. And in my case it's version 25H2, so check your version and then go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Over here check your system type. For me it's x64 based processor. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5101684 and let the download complete. The download will take some time. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually. Restart your PC once it is installed and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here. Scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take a long time. Once it is done, log into the computer and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.